We're in a crop that is a favorite of Italian culture. It's called fennel. Fennel tastes a little bit like anise. Sometimes people call it a little like licorice. Some people really like it. Some people don't care for it that much. If you don't like it raw, try it cooked. When you cook it, it actually gets a lot milder. But oftentimes people eat it just in salads. You can also take the leaves. The leaves have a very nice mild anise flavor. You can add this as a garnish to your salad, for instance, or just chop it up finely and put it in your salad for a little extra accent. Or you can take these flowers. This crop actually is over mature and is beginning to bolt. And of course, when the fennel begins to bolt, it makes kind of an elongated bulb, and it's not very good quality anymore, not really direct for sales. But these little flowers have a really, really nice flavor if you like anise. I love anise. I think these are great. So when your fennel bolts, don't be sad. You're getting a lot of nice little candies out of it. And of course, they look pretty too, and they last really long in a flower bouquet. This variety over here that we have here is a fine example of, this is the variety called Dragon. This one has very, very good resistance to bolting. You see this one bolted way, way later than these other varieties. So if you're looking for fennel that bolts, buy some cheap seed from another company. If you want fennel that doesn't bolt, buy it from Seedway and from Bejo. Fennel, very tasty.